Hey, this is Brian Nealon with Late Model Engines in Houston, Texas. Today I'm here to talk to you about our billet VVT Delete LT1 LT4 front cover. We have designed, tested, and manufactured these parts in-house right here at Late Model Engines to bring you the highest quality, fit, function, and reliability that we possibly can. So I want to give you a little bit of information about why this part is needed on your engine. First off, the primary function of the front cover is to eliminate the factory phaser. Factory phasers fluctuate under high boost and high RPM, so we want stable cam timing at higher RPM and boost levels. Another thing is that we see engines come in that have the dowel pin broken off on the camshaft when they're trying to install these phasers back onto the car. So they're just difficult to install and kind of cumbersome, so we get rid of that part. We replaced it all with the LS single bolt cam gear. Something of note on this cam gear is that the dowel pin location is 6 degrees retarded from the factory phaser. So what we've done is install the bushing on the back side here, which puts the dowel pin location in the exact same location as the factory phaser. So there's absolutely no need to have a custom ground cam to utilize the cam gear and front cover combination. So if you have an existing camshaft already in your car, and have phaser fluctuation issues, you can simply install this kit and go and have your problem solved there. The kit does come with a hardened cam bolt to get rid of the factory oil through cam bolt. To make an easier install than the factory, we've also included an O-ring on the oil pan side as well as the block side. It does also come with the dowel pins for location and a front main seal. Clears all the factory oil pump and no clearance issues. These front covers take the factory hardware throughout. You also install your factory harness, both the cam sensor harness and oil pump harness in the cover. Here on the side, we have one of our 427 short blocks, dry sump configuration with the front cover installed with the factory harnesses. So again, just looks cool, but also solves the problem of that cam phaser fluctuation. If you guys have any more questions, you can feel free to contact us at 713-849-4505 or visit us on the web at latemodelengines.com. These are available for sale. You can purchase them up and we'll ship them right out. We keep them in stock at all times. So if you guys have any questions, hit us up and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.